Unit 7, 1.1.
I, I, I.
1.2.
I, 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 I.
2.
Sheep, ship. Bean, bin. Meal, mill. Heel, hill.
3. A.
Look at the sheep.
B.
These are bins.
C.
Is this a mill?
D.
She likes high heels.
4. Picture 1.
It's a little sheep.
Picture 2.
It's a big ship.
Picture 3.
It's a big bin.
Picture 4.
It's a little bean.
Picture 5.
It's a big meal.
Picture 6.
It's a little mill.
Picture 7.
It's a little heel.
Picture 8.
It's a big hill.
5.
Big, heavy, hungry, happy, little, thirsty, sleepy, dirty.
6.
Horses, boxes, sandwiches, faces, sixes, glasses, noses, buses, houses.
7. 1.
This is a box. These are boxes.
2.
This is a horse. These are horses.
3.
This is a glass. These are glasses.
4.
This is a bus. These are buses.
5.
This is a face. These are faces.
6.
This is a nose. These are noses.
7.
This is a house. These are houses.
8.
This is a sandwich. These are sandwiches.